boost. I realized that I never really show you guys my locks that much. Looking back on previous videos, I'm like, do I even really show them my locks, or am I just always talking? I'm sorry, guys. But y'all can tell me, girl, stop talking. Just show us the hair. It's all good. We family. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. I am getting ready to travel. So many of you guys know it is graduation season. One of my very best friends is graduating from dental school. I'm going to attend and celebrate with her. I had beautiful curls for my birthday, and it's been over 2 weeks now. And yeah, now, I mean, clearly they have dropped, but there is like a bump to them, flip to them. Some of them have completely dropped. But anyway, my scalp looks amazing. I actually went in and shampooed my edges because of like makeup and sweat and everything like that. Just wanted to at least do that. And even with that shampooing, my retwist is still in, which is, guys, I tried a new retwisting product, Nia the Loc God. That's all I can say. First of all, I think Caribbean Kinks, this is gonna give it some real competition, because when I tell you I shampooed my front row.
I shampooed it.
And you can still see the twist. I mean, anyway, so that's another thing. I'm not willing to wash this out yet. I want to revive these curls though. After the ceremony, we're going to be doing very tourist type things, hikes and trails and Grand Canyon and all this stuff. Active things. So I'm just like, why would I wash and, you know, make my hair all pretty for
Sweat.
I have some curlers, sponge rollers here. I'm gonna use some water, just gonna wet the ends. May add some oil, may not. For over 2 weeks, the fact that you could still see my parts so well. Yes, there's frizz and everything else, but this retwisting product is amazing. Now, another subscriber told me about their refresher spray. Lauren, hi Lauren, told me about the hydration mist. So I don't know, I'm a little nervous to try it, but because of the glycerin content, but she swears by it. So I trust her word, I trust her judgment. I am gonna use the hydration mist as well and see what happens, just to give my hair a boost. But I'm gonna start at the back, and yeah, I'm just planning to curl the ends. I'm gonna probably put 2 or 3 locks on a roller. For the ones that have lock sprinkles, they usually get their own roller because they just need as much help as possible. Oh, this one still kind of has somewhat of a curl. Anyway, yeah, so I'll be back maybe. Oh guys, you see this green? This green. When I get back, we gonna fix this green. And I knew it was gonna fade to vomit, and this is what it just has done. So come back when I have rolled the majority of my hair, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay guys, as you can see, my whole like disposition has changed. Just feeling really tired. So I just have a few in the front left. I just want to show you how I roll it all up. I ran out of rose water, So this is empty. And then I started misting some of them also with the hydration mist from the Loc Count, so you can see where I am with that. But this is just, I think, water. And yeah, so as I got to the front, I just started doing two. Some of them actually have one, but yeah, I started doing just two locks. I started doing just two locks as I got to the front, not too close to the root either, because I want to be able to sleep. So I just mixed it down real good and squeeze the water in. Okay. Add some of the lock mist as well. Use one of these, and I've been rolling upwards as my phone slides. Just rolling upwards. And yeah. So I actually ended up keeping in the rollers for about 24 hours. So the following night I did take them down, and no, sponge rollers aren't super uncomfortable, but I rather get a perfect night's sleep without anything on my head. So I did take them down and then started my night prep. I was clearly very impressed with the curls. Some of them came out a lot better than others, and that sometimes is a hit or miss depending on how much liquid or water I was able to spray on my hair, or maybe the curling direction. Sometimes you just never know. But either way, I was just in general, I was very pleased with the outcome of the curls. I usually like to shake my hair out a lot because I really don't like when it's too curly Sue-ish. I actually appreciate when it starts to fall a little bit more, but over time it does, and I think it just gets beautiful as the days go by. So here's my night prep. I think I talked about this particular head wrap or edge band in one of my previous videos, but I usually use that, and then I use something similar to a lock sock, but I actually put like a rubber band on the top so no hair can escape out of the top, and yeah, just stuff those curls in and go to bed. So these are just some styles that I did while I was on my trip. Took some headbands and some pins some days, and just kind of let my hair down and free. It was fun, and as soon as I got back, I gave my hair a good wash. It had definitely been over 3 weeks at this point, and a wash was mandatory. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.